In this chapter, you'll learn how to use Facebook ads to promote your video. Then select Create Advert. Then proceed to select your marketing objective, which is video views. Give your campaign a name and click Continue. Name your advert and fill in the details of your audience, which includes A. Location, B. Age, C. Gender, D. Language, E. Detailed targeting. Determine where you want your ads to be placed at. You are recommended to only place your ads on Facebook newsfeed. You want to select Edit Placements and uncheck everything except FB newsfeed. The reason you're doing this is so that you know which placement is working for you and which isn't. If you put all placements, Facebook cycles through each different placement to get the best results for you, but sometimes it may not be the platform you want. The results take slightly longer to achieve because Facebook will need some time to optimize your campaign. The next important step is to determine your budget and schedule. For beginners, the recommended budget is $3 to $5 a day for 3 days to monitor the engagement and results of the campaign. Select a schedule for your campaign, whether you want to run it continuously or have an end date. Leave bid amount to automatic. Only use manual bidding if you know how much video views are worth to you. When you enter into bidding, the one who is the highest bidder will have their ad shown to the audience. Then click Continue. Select your Facebook page and select your preferred video format: carousel, single video, or a slide. Upload your video. The recommended length of your video is up to 15 seconds. The aspect ratio should be set to vertical 4:5 and enabled with captions. You can then proceed to fill in the text of your advert. You'll be able to see the preview of the ad on the right side. When you're done, click Confirm and you've successfully created your video ad.